students, if the board is not visible to you properly, you can suggest me that. I don't mind at all. Today I have written bold letters because you should see the board clearly. Avogadro's law. What does Avogadro's law states? Equal volume of all gases contain equal number of molecules at same temperature and pressure. Second point, Avogadro's law is related only to gases. I'll restate it. Equal volume of all gases at same temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. So, equal volume of all gases contain what? Equal number of molecules. Example, hydrogen gas, oxygen gas to form water vapor which is in gaseous form. Let me say practically it is true, but if you go to balance it and all, you may not like it the way I am doing it. Generally it is observed that 2 liters of hydrogen combined with 1 liter of oxygen to form 2 liters of water vapor. That is 2 volumes of hydrogen react with 1 volume of oxygen to form 2 volumes of water vapor. It's not in liquid form, it is in gaseous form. Point number 1. Students, if one volume contains n molecules, then 2 volumes will contain definitely 2n molecules. One volume if it contains n molecules, then 2 volumes will occupy 2n molecules. So 2n molecules of hydrogen gas react with n molecules of oxygen gas to form 2n molecules of water vapor. करते हैं? n common करा, cancel it out. What do we get? 2 molecules of hydrogen reacts with 1 molecule of oxygen to form 2 molecules of water vapor. Perhat revision. Avogadro's law. Equal volume of all gases at same temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. ठीक है? Example to explain this. You take hydrogen gas. If it is of 2 liter, we require only 1 liter of oxygen gas. केव्हा? We can take like this. 100 ml घेतलं तरी चालतंय. 100 ml of hydrogen gas reacts with 50 ml, बरोबर half. To form 100 ml of hydrogen gas, water vapor. ठीक है? That is 2 liter of hydrogen gas requires 1 liter of oxygen gas to form 2 liters. Volume is measured in liters. To form 2 liters of water vapor. That is 2 volume of hydrogen gas requires 1 volume of only oxygen gas to form 2 volumes of water vapor. If 1 volume occupies n molecules, then 2 volumes will occupy 2n molecules. 1 volume will occupy n molecules. 2 volumes will occupy again 2n molecules. That is n common काढून cancel करून टाकलं. Therefore we get 2 molecules of hydrogen react with 1 molecule of oxygen to form 2 molecules of water vapor. एकदा revision, मग पुढचा पाठ. Avogadro law. Equal volume of all gases at same temperature and pressure contain equal volume number of molecules. Water, hydrogen gas, if you take 2 liters, you have to take only half the amount of oxygen gas, that is 1 liter, to get 2 liters of water vapor. Liter is the unit of volume. Hence 2 volumes of hydrogen gas react with 1 volume of oxygen gas to form 2 volumes of water vapor. 1 volume, n molecules, 2n molecules, n molecules, 2n molecules, n common काढून cancel करून टाका. We end with Avogadro's law. Next, students, the next part I'll be discussing is the Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory. First point. 4 points आहेत ते 2 वेळा रिवाइज करून देते. Dalton's atomic theory. First point. Matter means solid, liquid or gas. Matter consists of tiny indivisible particle called atom. First point. Second point. Atoms of same element have same properties, that is same mass. Atoms of different elements have different properties. Third. Compounds are formed when atoms of two different elements come together in fixed ratio. Property number 3. Property number 4. Chemical reactions involve only reorganization of atoms. Atoms can neither be created nor they can be destroyed. I repeat, Dalton's atomic theory. 4 points. What are they? Matter consists of tiny indivisible particles called atoms. Atoms of same elements have same properties, same mass. Atoms of different elements have different masses. Compounds are formed when atoms of different elements come together in fixed ratio. Fourth, chemical reactions are produced. When chemical reactions occur, atoms are only reorganized. Means atoms can neither be created nor they can be destroyed. That is called as the Dalton's atomic theory. Matter consists of smallest indivisible part of atom. Atoms of same element have same mass. Different element have different mass. Compounds are formed when atoms of different elements combine in a fixed ratio. And atoms are conserved quantities during chemical reactions. Atoms are only reorganized. They are neither created, neither destroyed. ठीक है? Next. जरा नीट बघा बोर्डाकडे. We will discuss something called as atomic mass, and we will discuss a unit of atomic mass which is called as atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. What is atomic mass? It is the mass of one atom. Whatever is the mass of one atom is called as atomic mass. Atomic mass cannot be conveniently measured in units of mass, that is kilogram or gram, because hydrogen is, hydrogen gas itself is one atom. If you look into the mass of hydrogen gas, one atom of hydrogen, it is 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg or minus 24 gram. इथं मी kg मध्ये लिहिलं. ठीक आहे? So, if you take mass of one atom of hydrogen, it is 1.66 blah 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 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg or 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. So, gram or kilogram are very large unit to measure atomic mass. What is atomic mass? Mass of one atom. Hence, a special unit called as AMU that is atomic mass unit, is used to measure the mass of atom. So what is the unit to measure? What is the unit to measure mass of atom? It is AMU, that is atomic mass unit. What is atomic mass unit? At one atomic mass unit, हे कुठून आलं? This is a unit to measure the atomic masses. कळतंय? One atomic mass unit is the mass of, it is the mass 1 at AMU. Shortcut 1 AMU is the mass of 1/12, the mass of one atom of carbon 12. What is 1 AMU? 1 atomic mass unit. It is equal to the mass which is equal to 1/12, the mass of 1 carbon 12. कारण कार्बन एक्झिस्ट इन फॉर्म ऑफ आयसोटोप्स. आयसोटोप्स म्हणजे काय? कार्बन 12 असतो, कार्बन 13 असतो, कार्बन 14 पण असतो. So 1 atomic mass unit is the mass equal to 1/12 the mass of 1 atom of carbon 12. ठीक है? What is that? 1/12 into 1.99 blah 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 into 10 raised to minus 23 gram, which comes out to be, you can check at home, 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 blah 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 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. So 1 atomic mass unit is how much? 1.660 something into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. That's it. Atomic mass is the mass of atom. Atomic mass cannot be measured in kgs because it's very large unit. Hence we prefer a unit which is called as atomic mass unit. Shortcut AMU. AMU is the mass equal to 1/12 the mass of 1 atom of carbon 12. एकच ॲटम घ्यायचं, त्याचं 1/12 मास घ्यायचा. आता हा 1.99 into 10 raised to minus 23 ग्राम आहे ना, तो एक कार्बन 12 ॲटमचा आहे. डिवाइडेड बाय 12 you'll get 1 AMU. That's it. हे झालं 1 AMU. इसके बाद we will discuss, nowadays we don't use 1 AMU. We don't use 1 AMU. 1 AMU has been replaced by 1 U. Atomic mass unit is replaced nowadays by only U. U म्हणजे unified atomic mass unit. तुम्ही 1 U लिहा. आता इथं 1 AMU लिहिलं ना, if you write 1 U also it is okay, which is unified atomic mass unit. Students, आता ह्याच्या पुढे मी AMU वापरणार नाही. I'll be using U. U means unified atomic mass unit. Unified atomic mass unit can be used to calculate the average atomic mass. Average atomic mass चा अर्थ काय? Students, you know, for example, you take कार्बन असेल किंवा कोबाल्ट असेल किंवा आयोडीन असेल, they exist in isotopic mass, isotopic form. What are isotopes? Isotopes are the atoms of elements having same atomic number but different atomic masses. They are called isotopes. If you take carbon exists in 3 isotopic forms: carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. The mass is how much in units? Unified atomic mass unit. What is the mass? Mass of one atom of carbon 12. What is the mass of one atom? Approximately 12 unified units. Unified at AMU. हे approximately ह्याच्या पुढे पण आहे जरा व्हॅल्यू. approximately 13 unified AMU आणि ह्याचं approximately 14 unified AMU. हे त्याचे atomic masses which are the isotopes. ठीक आहे. Availability किंवा abundance Availability of carbon 12 is approximately 99%. Carbon 13 if you take, it is just 1.1%. And if you take 14, it is 2 into 2 into 10 raised to minus 10%. ठीक है? How you calculate the average atomic mass? नीट बघा. Average atomic mass is equal to what? It is mass of carbon 12, that is 12. Its availability 99%. म्हणजे 99 upon 100 approximately 12 लिहिले हा टीचरने. प्लस 13 त्याची availability 1.1% plus 14 its availability is very less, 2 into 10 raised to minus 10. If you calculate this, it approximately comes out to be 12.1 units. That is the average atomic mass of carbon 12 isotope. Clear? हाँ, कैसे calculate करायचं? This formula is applied only when we use isotopic form. Like carbon exists in 3 forms: 12, 13, 14. Masses are 12U unified AMU, 13 unified atomic mass unit, 14 unified atomic mass unit. Percentage availability is this: 12 availability, 13 plus 13 availability plus 14 into availability. Calculate केल्यानंतर calculations करा ते, you get the answer what? 12.1 units. Unified atomic mass units. ठीक है? We are coming to the end of this topic, students. Bye for today. Tomorrow I take physics.